On a rainy balcony, a clever pigeon named Pico notices a shivering stray cat and offers his tiny umbrella to share warmth. The cat, Luna, mistakes Pico's care for romance, blushing with feathery flaps as he offers warmth and crumbs. When a gust scatters the umbrella, Pico chases it, tumbling into puddles, while Luna cheers from the edge with a paw. Their rescued friendship deepens as they share shelter under the umbrella, trading jokes and glances that speak louder than meows. By dusk, Pico learns love is friendship dressed in courage, and Luna learns trust wears a beak and wings.